Good afternoon. We are the team with no name. My name is Juan Rocha, and I'm team leader, and my teammates are.
Moisés Araujo,
Diego Unzueta,
Alexander Villaseñor,
Daniel Damas,
Brianna Flores.
And we are ELAC engineering and technology students, and we are enrolled in Professor Artin Davidian's GE101 course in the fall of 2020, and we will be presenting our final Stirling engine design project.
Now we'll be describing our Stirling engine. Our Stirling engine consists of two aluminum cans which act as the cylinders. The bottom can is the pressure chamber.
the pressure chamber contains steel wool that acts as a displacer, which is connected to the crankshaft using a fishing line and a metal wire.
the air at the bottom of the pressure chamber expands upwards towards the top of the pressure chamber, where it cools and is pushed out towards the PVC pipe.
The diaphragm is made up of PVC pipe that's connected to the cans.
The connecting rod connects the diaphragm to the crankshaft.
the flywheel is made of the CD and the bottle cap.
Now we will be conducting an efficiency test. Now we will remove the heat. And now we will reapply the heat. And this concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time.